morning, everybody. Not even sure you can hear me, but I'm on the top of Rim Road Peak. It's hovering around about 17, 18 degrees Fahrenheit, which is, for you metric guys, probably around -8. Plus we got winds probably 15 miles an hour or more. It's pretty miserable. So anyway, it's not quite 7 o'clock. I'm hoping to get set up here pretty quick and see if I can work some European stations. So we're right at dawn, and so we'll see how it goes. I'm going to show you what I have now for the antenna, and oh boy, that wind almost blew it down. And I was able to work CW on this into Tucson from here, so that's pretty good. But I actually had to tie a rope to it, or the wind would be blowing it down right now, but it's up there in the top. Morse code on HF now. I'm going to take that antenna down. Well, we still have the wind. It's died down a little bit. I'm gonna say maybe it's 10, 15 miles an hour, maybe 10 now. It was upwards 15, 20 before. It's much less windy now, so. But I'm done for the day. I don't think I'm gonna go do Baker Butte. I might, but I'm not in the mood right now. I froze my butt off, and so I got to clean up all this mess, and then I don't know, I guess I'll decide then if I'm going to do it or not. But it's beautiful up here in spite of the very cold weather and very windy weather. I have my 40-meter home brew. It's got a ballon up there, I guess, and other than that, it's just a wire that I cut to length. But I got 90 contacts, well, actually a little over 90 contacts today. on my summit here, which is great. 12 DX, some Germany, some Europe, and I think Oscar November, and Charlie X-ray or something like that. So anyway, it was a fun time. I didn't get DX summit to summit like I was hoping, but that's okay. So here's a look around. Nice view off the rim. Off in that direction is Payson, and further over the mountain range is Phoenix. It's pretty cool. I have probably 5-6 contacts on 2-meter CW, which was fun. I used that antenna both vertical and horizontal. I didn't get anybody horizontal. I was expecting to, but everybody I worked with the vertical, and I don't know. I didn't get anybody in California, unfortunately, but that's kind of a hard ask at this point. In the summer, it's a little bit better propagation. So with that, I think I'll say 73 to you guys. Thank you so much for watching and for subscribing to the channel. I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget, you can subscribe above, and then you can over here on the right, you can find more videos like this one. So 73 to you.